Welcome to my video, how to protect your computer against hackers. How to protect your computer against hackers. In today's digital world, computers have become central to how we work, learn, communicate, and manage our personal lives. Because of this heavy reliance on technology, hackers are constantly looking for ways to break into systems, steal information, and cause damage. Understanding how hackers operate and how to defend against them is no longer optional. It is a basic digital life skill that everyone needs. In this video, you will learn practical, realistic, and effective ways to protect your computer against hackers, regardless of your level of technical experience. Cyber criminals do not always target large companies or governments. Ordinary individuals are often easier targets because their systems are less protected. Hackers may want access to your passwords, financial details, personal documents, or even your identity. Sometimes the goal is not theft, but control, such as using your computer to attack other systems without your knowledge. Knowing this helps you take knowing this helps you take computer security. Knowing this helps you take computer security seriously and develop safer habits that reduce your risk significantly. One of the most important foundations of computer protection is keeping your operating system and software up to date. Updates are not just about adding new features. They often contain security patches that fix weaknesses hackers already know about. When updates are ignored, attackers can exploit those known weaknesses easily. Enabling automatic updates ensures your system always has the latest defenses without requiring constant attention from you. Strong passwords play a major role in protecting your computer. Weak or reused passwords make hacking much easier. A strong password combines letters, numbers, and symbols in a way that is difficult to guess. Using different passwords for different accounts limits the damage if one account is compromised. Password managers can help store and generate secure passwords safely, reducing the temptation to reuse simple ones. Antivirus and anti-malware software provide another critical layer of defense. These tools scan your system for malicious programs and block known threats before they can cause harm. However, security software is only effective if it is kept updated. Hackers constantly create new forms of malware, and outdated protection may fail to detect them. Choosing reputable security software and keeping it active is a smart long-term investment. Safe internet behavior is just as important as technical tools. Many hacks begin with phishing emails or fake websites designed to trick users into giving away information. Being cautious about links, attachments, and unexpected messages can prevent many attacks. If something looks suspicious or too good to be true, it usually is. Take a moment to verify before clicking. Taking a moment to verify before clicking can save you from serious problems. Public Wi-Fi networks present additional risks. Hackers can intercept data on unsecured networks, making it easier to steal information. Using a virtual private network (VPN) adds encryption and protects your data when using public connections. When possible, avoid accessing sensitive accounts on public Wi-Fi, especially without extra protection in place. Backing up your data is another essential security practice. Even with strong defenses, no system is completely immune. No system is, even with strong defenses, no system is completely immune. Regular backups ensure that if your computer is compromised, you can recover important files without paying ransoms or losing valuable information. Backups should be stored securely, preferably in more than one location. At this stage, if this video is interesting, take a moment to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you don't miss my next video, and engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Physical security also matters more than many people realize. Leaving your computer unattended or unlocked can allow unauthorized access. Simple actions like locking your screen when away and using full disk encryption adds another barrier that protects your information. These steps are easy to implement but often overlooked. Finally, staying informed is one of the strongest defenses against hackers. Cyber threats evolve constantly, and awareness helps you adapt. Learning about new scams, attack methods, and protection strategies keeps you ahead of potential risks. Computer security is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process that improves with consistent attention. In conclusion, protecting your computer against hackers requires a combination of updated software, strong passwords, reliable security tools, cautious online behavior, and continuous learning. When these elements work together, they significantly reduce your chances of becoming a victim. By taking computer security seriously today, you protect not only your data, but also your peace of mind in the digital world. I believe you have understood how to protect your computer against hackers. Finally, before you leave, if this video is important, do not forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you don't miss my next video, and engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Also, endeavor to watch my other videos to learn more. Bye until my next video.